Now here's how you can find the Apple ID password on your iPad, and let's get started. If you're new to this channel, consider subscribing because I publish a lot of tutorials which are going to help you out. Anyways, you can open up the settings app of your iPad and all of your personal information can be found at the top by clicking on your profile section. So it's your name with the profile picture. And in there, for more like security stuff, click on sign in and security. You kind of have to wait a little bit for it to load up, but once it does, you'll be able to see your security settings like your emails and phone numbers and everything. And in order to manage and change your Apple ID password, here is where you can find it, right? So you can click on a change password right here, and you'll have the ability to basically just create a brand new Apple ID password for your Apple account. So this one will be used to sign in to your, basically the App Store, iCloud, and everything Apple account related. So obviously it has to be a safe password. So there is like a criteria you have to meet. Like it has to be long enough. It has to have, I believe, numbers, letters, special characters. So yeah, just make sure you do that. But this is essentially where you can find and change it. So it's pretty simple. And you can do it right away since you own this iPad, you are signed in with this account already, and you have to like confirm it in here, but it's pretty easy to do if obviously it's your iPad. So that's it for me. Let me know what you think about that below. Let me know if you managed to do it. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you later in the next videos.